What is up, guys? Today we're going to be working on the wagon. We're going to be putting the lower control arms on. Here they are right here. Now, these are the camber kits from O'Reilly's Auto Parts. They're SPC camber kits for 90 to 93 Accords and or 90 to 97 Accords because they all the same. So we're going to be switching out the ones in here, which are eBays. Can't really see it. Switching those out, going for more camber. And yeah, jack it up and get to the nitty gritty. All right, guys, we got the wheel off. So those are the new ones. Those are the cambers. And these are the eBay ones that I purchased a while back for like 50 bucks. And it's already starting to bend a little bit, looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these off, pop the new ones on, and show you guys the comparison. Wow. Yep, so that's the old one from eBay, and that's the one from O'Reilly. One's got an angle to it, and one doesn't.
Yeah, it's naturally almost bent.
Yeah, this one's bent right here. It's gonna break. More camber. Alright, guys, camber kit's installed. The new one. There it goes. About to throw the wheel back on and see how much camber it gave me, and then we'll start doing the adjustments. I already preset them for a full negative camber, so won't have to worry about it. You can kind of see it right here, how much camber it is. We're gonna throw the wheel on and see how it looks. All right, guys, so we already installed it. The coilovers go for
Hey, that would be nice.
no,
It would.
I'm not playing with y'all.
Hey, you don't understand, bro.
I'm not dealing with y'all. I'm not painting my car yellow.
Ferrari yellow.
You know what? I'm gonna find me a wagon and get it filled up paint pink and yellow. Don't you take my color.
Look, it's gonna be excellent. Just imagine Ferrari yellow and then a big sticker says pussy wagon.
You do that to your car.
Oh no.
I mean, it's already, you know, that color.
Oh.
No, mine's are different. Boom, 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 boom.
Once again, old ones, new ones on, camber looks nice.